Getting pulled over for an expired tag is already bad enough. But what happens when you decide to argue with the officer and refuse to show your license? Stick around, because this woman is about to find out exactly what happens. Comment below. Have you ever been pulled over and tried to talk your way out of it? Let me know. I read every comment.
Choice, okay? And I'm going to explain this to you really probably once or twice to you, okay? I will call my supervisor, but if you fail to produce your information...
You call your supervisor. I'm not failing to do anything. I'm asking for you.
No, yes, you are.
No, I'm asking for your supervisor.
It's upon demand.
I'm demanding your supervisor.
No, you don't get to demand my supervisor.
You're a public servant.
You wait. Because
you serve the public.
Yes.
I didn't cause any crime. I didn't hurt anybody. I'm not...
526, would you 56 me here? Now I need your license, please.
I'm not doing anything commercially. So
your tag is expired. Come here, I'll show you. No. It's right here.
Okay. On July 18th, 2025, an officer with the Ocean Ridge Police Department in Florida spotted a Jeep Wrangler with an expired tag. Simple stop, right? Wrong. Instead of handing over her documents, the driver started questioning the legality of the stop and demanded a supervisor.
Gee, I'm telling you.
So is this your Jeep?
it is not.
Okay, I already know that.
Right. So
it's still a lawful stop.
It's lawful?
It's a lawful stop. It's a legal stop.
It's illegal. It's illegal or lawful?
It's legal, and I'm not going to argue with you.
I'm not arguing, sir. I'm asking you.
I'm asking you for your driver's license. You're driving your vehicle in the state of Florida, and you are
traveling. I'm traveling.
So you're going to play that game?
No, I'm not playing any game. Yeah. This is my freedom we're talking about here.
Yeah, it is. And sure,
we're talking about you.
My sergeant's on his way, and
we're talking about you as a public servant.
My sergeant's on the way, and you can talk to him.
We can talk to him.
Yeah.
And I hope you know.
I hope you know
what you're doing.
I hope I do too.
Okay.
You able to back out real quick?
Not right now. I'm on a call, so as soon as possible. Though I won't hold you up long.
The tag is expired, and she won't produce her driver's license, registration, or insurance.
Okay.
She's traveling.
Okay.
Hi.
Good. How you doing?
I'm doing
good. So I'm the day shift supervisor.
Hi.
This officer has conducted a lawful traffic stop.
Is it lawful or illegal?
It's a lawful traffic stop.
It is. And
yes.
what law am I? Am I breaking?
Apparently, you're.
What law is that?
Okay. Can we see your license and registration?
That has nothing to do with
10:15.
Because are you?
You're under arrest.
Okay. For what? Why are you arresting me? Is your?
Yeah. You know what for. Right? Welcome to America.
Wow.
This is this isn't.
Don't resist.
I'm not resisting.
Yes, you are.
This is not even my car. I did not.
That's when things went sideways fast. The officer calmly explained the stop, expired tag, straightforward. But she wasn't having it. She kept insisting she was traveling, which is a sovereign citizen argument that holds zero weight in a court of law, and refused to produce her license. The officer called for his sergeant. Even that didn't shake her confidence. When the sergeant arrived and explained it was a lawful traffic stop, she asked, and I quote, "What law am I breaking?" That question got answered immediately. She was placed under arrest on the spot. Drop your thoughts in the comments if you think she should have just handed over the license from the start. Here's what she didn't understand. The moment you refuse to provide your driver's license during a lawful traffic stop in Florida, you are committing a crime. Full stop. It doesn't matter whose car it is. It doesn't matter if you call it traveling. The law doesn't bend because you don't agree with it. She was ultimately charged with obstruction and an expired license tag. All of that, from a stop that could have been over in 5 minutes. If you're new here, this channel covers real traffic stops, real consequences, and the moments where people's choices define their outcomes. Hit that follow button so you don't miss the next one. I post these regularly. This woman was 24 years old and thought the rules didn't apply to her. What would you have done differently in that situation? Comment below, let's talk about it. And if you found this video interesting, share it with someone who needs to see it.